Hey guys, Mark with Backseat Delete, here to show you guys a few products that we carry. We have the Backseat Delete, storage on both sides. We also have this available in a 40% or a 60%. This is made of 3/4 inch cabinet grade birch and then is completely bedliner sprayed, and it is a one-piece product, no assembly required. When you receive it, you simply install it, lay it down, and put your rear seat bolts in, and you're ready to go. We have our rear wall shelf that hangs on the factory seat hooks when you've done the back seat delete. These hooks are here. It's extra space. We've utilized that by building this rear wall shelf. Also made with birch and completely bedliner sprayed. And then we have our overhead MOLLE panel, which is also a clothes hanger. It is very simple to install. You do not have to take the roof off to do it. You slide it over one side, back in, 2 factory bolt holes. It comes with the bolt, so you just bolt it in, tighten it up. You can also use it as a clothes hanger or MOLLE panel deal, and so it's just super simple and very, very strong. If you have any questions or you want to contact us, you can visit us at www.backseatdelete.com.